Life isn't fair. For instance, Kylie Jenner is only 21 and already a billionaire. Now we find out she gets over $1 million for her Instagram posts. That's for one picture. According to data collected by Hopper HQ, for the second year in a row, Jenner has taken the top spot on their Instagram rich list. They say that she makes $1.27 million per post, a 27% increase over her post earnings last year. Jenner has 141 million followers on Instagram, so her posts are seen by a lot of eyes. Ariana Grande came in second place, making a mere $996,000 per post. She makes less even though she has more followers than Kylie Jenner at 159 million. What is shocking is that Kylie Jenner makes more money on one Instagram post than many people will make in a lifetime. According to Census Bureau data, her fellow high school graduates will make around $910,000 over the course of their entire lives. I wonder why she bothers with any of her other jobs. I'd just retire and post more pictures.